Sabi pa lang ni boss na sana merong cute na grupo, di ba, na para ano, so sana kayo na nga yan, Symmetry, kasi sa itsura pa lang, di ba, so kakasabi mo pa lang, boss, gusto mo yung mga ganyan yung nakabang.
Nasa klase ng maingay.
Let's see. Good luck, Symmetry.
Thank you, Bob.
Wake up in the morning feeling like P. Diddy. Brush my teeth with a bottle of gin. Coming back.
Yeah.
Totoong twins friendship!
Truly amazing. Grabe, ha? Grabe. Bago.
Yung mga sayaw nyo, ordinary pero nakanganga kami ni friendship ha. Nakagano.
Ang ganda ng entrance yung lahat, no? So, ako, napahangan nyo. Galing nyo. Bago. Something new.
Pleasing to the eye ang mga itsura ninyo.
Puro kambal na.
Yung parating sinasabi na what can we present na bago considering it's season 4? Ilan na lang bang acts na natitira na unique? Eh, kayo na yun. Yes na yes.
Kambal na
Congratulations,
natin.
Symmetry.
Oh, it's a dream. Yes, yes.
Yeah, it's a big yes for all of us.
Thank you. Thank you.
Some were so synchronized that you would think it's really a reflection.